Hi, I'm Brenda from Roaming and Recording, and I'm thrilled to introduce you to a charming boutique hotel in Athens, Greece that you definitely need to know about. We recently spent 2 nights at the Niche Hotel before heading out on a Greek island cruise, and it was an absolute delight. We opted for the Acropolis rooms. After all, we were in Athens. Though the hotel is on the smaller side, it's packed with charm. From the friendly doorman who helped with our luggage to the attentive and cheerful staff, everything was top-notch. The highlight was the Rooftop Restaurant, which offers breathtaking views of the Acropolis and serves a fantastic breakfast, including Greek specialties and delicious coffee. The hotel's location is perfect, just a 5 to 10 minute walk to the Acropolis and conveniently across from the hop-on, hop-off bus station, making it easy to explore Athens. From the bustling Monastiraki neighborhood markets, the changing of the guards, museums, as well as the Plaka restaurants, they're all just a short walk away. Breakfast is served on the rooftop, where you can enjoy an array of Greek dishes and pastries while taking in stunning views. For dinner, make sure to book a table for sunset. Dining with the view of the Parthenon was the highlight of our trip. We savored a range of small plates, and the scallop dish was particularly memorable. It was beautifully presented and incredibly tasty. The hotel features 2 compact elevators that efficiently get you up to your room. We stayed on a higher floor with adjacent rooms, each offering unique modern decor with a touch of local charm. Both rooms had lovely Acropolis views. Let's take a look so you can see for yourself. This is 606 at the Niche Hotel. Very cool. We'll show you the view here in a moment. The bathroom has a really nice marble. There's a little desk area. But check out that view. Yes, that is the Acropolis. So there you have it. Room 605 at the Niche Hotel. This is also an Acropolis view. It has a water closet as you enter on the right. I'll show you, you have to put your key card in there in order to get your lights to work and your air conditioning. Next it has a shower. And then it has a bedroom right over here. And it has a city view there. It's got a desk here. And the sink is over here. It's got an area here to hang up your clothes. It has a little mini bar that they said was, first one was complimentary, the second one they'll charge you for, but it does have in-room coffee and even a tea kettle. It's kind of cool. The sink is out here. And again, what's our view? Yep, the Acropolis. So there you go. If you appreciate boutique hotels that offer a personal touch and local flair, the Niche Hotel is a fantastic choice. The lobby even features ancient ruins, adding to the authentic Athenian experience. The staff spoke English, kept our rooms immaculate, and helped with the airport and cruise port transfers. We highly recommend the Niche Hotel for a memorable stay in Athens. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing. We really appreciate your support. Until next time.